Hello, my name is Mark Toney here at Southern Connecticut Freightliner, and behind me is the new 2016 Freightliner Cascadia Evolution. Now, with the new 2016 model, Freightliner really focused on three areas for its customers. One is the new Detroit Assurance, the second is real cost of ownership, and the third is the integrated powertrain system. Let's talk about the Detroit Assurance safety systems. One of the new safety systems is the active brake assist. The second is adaptive cruise control. And the third and optional is the lane keeping assist, also known as lane departure warning. The active brake assist gives you an audible and a visual warning when you're approaching another vehicle too fast. If you don't apply the brakes, the unit will use ABS and also engine braking to start slowing the vehicle down. If you continue not to press the brakes down, the unit will automatically stop on itself, avoiding a collision. The second feature in the Detroit Assurance is adaptive cruise control system. Now what this does is, when I'm on the highway, I can set my cruise control at any given speed, and it will cruise at that speed unless the traffic changes. And when the traffic changes, say someone starts to slow down in front of me, this cruise control will automatically slow down to keep a safe distance between me and that car or that truck. Then when that truck or that car speeds up, my cruise control will resume back to where it should be. So there's a third feature that is optional, and this one involves a camera system that is mounted at the top of the windshield, and this is used for lane departure warning. And what it does is it reads the lines in the road, and when you start to drift, it will notify you audibly and visibly that you're drifting off the road. And this is to help drivers who are drifting off to sleep or that are becoming unaware of where they are on the road. This system helps them realign and get back in their lane. With over 36 safety features and focus on the ease of driving, the Cascadia Evolution is the safest tractor on the road. The second big point with the new Cascadia Evolution is real cost of ownership. Now there's hard costs that we all know about, but there's also soft costs. Hard costs are things like fuel economy and maintenance. Soft costs are things like connectivity and uptime, which things you don't account for, but that do make a big difference with your bottom line. Now, talking about uptime, Freightliner has over 400 dealerships with parts and service. Now they also have 200 service point facilities and a 24/7 toll-free hotline that will also get you back up and running. Continuing on real cost of ownership is connectivity. Connectivity will help you save a lot of money on your bottom line with things like the Detroit Connect telematics, which captures, transmits, and analyzes data at real time. Also, things like visibility fleet software, which has sophisticated real-time data, routing, location, idle time, right at the tips of your fingers. Also, as a part of uptime is a new virtual technician. Virtual technician removes the guesswork from any engine repair. What virtual technician does is it sees problems as they're occurring or before they're about to occur, and it notifies the driver or the fleet manager so they can get these problems fixed before they become a major issue and you're out with downtime and you're not on the road. Now, another aspect, of course, of real cost of ownership is the hard cost that we all talk about, fuel efficiency. Now, if you were to take a look at this unit behind me, the Cascadia Evolution is built on the foundation of fuel efficiency. By the side skirts to the aerodynamics, no other unit on the road gets better fuel efficiency than the new Cascadia Evolution. Through design innovation and cutting-edge manufacturing, the quality of the Cascadia Evolution has given it one of the highest resale values in the market today. Now let's talk about the new integrated powertrain system. Detroit has connected the powertrain together both in terms of complementary designs and electronics to make a truly integrated powertrain. All aspects of this powertrain speak Detroit. The engine, the transmission, the axles is all Detroit. When you have everything binding together like that, everything works smoothly as one. So let's hop in the new Cascadia Evolution and I can show you some of the features firsthand. All right, so here we are in the new Cascadia Freightliner Evolution. As you can see, there's tons of space. Everything you need is right here. This is how you control your drive and reverse on this column. Also on this column, as you can see, there's an M and an A for automatic and manual. If I wanted to go manual, I press this button in and it'll show up manual on this screen in front of me. Then I upshift for up in gears and I downshift for down in gears. Now, for now, I'm going to keep it automatic. All I'm going to do is hold in the brake, push in the air brake, and all I'm going to do is twist it into D for drive. And on we are. As you can see, it's starting out in third gear because we have no load on the back. And that's what makes this also so fuel efficient, is that it skips gears when they are not needed. That plays a big factor in controlling how much fuel is being spent. Also, a great feature with these Cascadia Evolutions is that we can set the parameters so drivers can only go to a certain RPM before switching gears. This way, new drivers don't get in and just hammer on the gas off the stop line and waste fuel for you. Now I'm going to go into this cul-de-sac here to show you the turning radius on these Evolution trucks. It's got a 55-degree wheel cut, which makes a big difference in getting in and out of tight spots. So I'm going to hook the wheel. And look at that, in and out. Shifts very smoothly. It's very good for first-time drivers. They don't have to worry about shifting. Also, it's great for fleets. Your total cost of ownership will be way down. The truck takes care of itself. It's easy to handle, which is going to avoid accidents, especially with the new Detroit Assurance, which keeps drivers focused and on the road. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you choose the new Freightliner Cascadia Evolution for your next vehicle purchase. Thank you.